Those COVID lockdowns in China are again threatening the global supply chain. Hundreds of ships at anchor off the port of Shanghai. The situation has some companies warning of new price hikes. ABC's Britt Clennett has more from Hong Kong.
This morning, the global fallout of locking down China's economic powerhouse growing by the day. Severe zero COVID measures in Shanghai, the world's largest shipping centre, stemming the flow of goods out of China. European Space Agency satellite images capturing the congestion of cargo ships backed up around the Shanghai coast. Some 344 ships snarled in the port of Shanghai, a 34% increase from last month, according to a Royal Bank of Canada report. The report also finding it could take 74 days longer for goods from China to reach the States.